If you're turning 65 and looking at Medicare options, you almost certainly have run across Medicare Advantage plans. After all, they control about 53% of the market, which is pretty impressive. But one thing that you won't hear much about is that recently, almost 50 million claims submitted to these carriers were postponed or denied for additional information. Yeah, now how do you feel about that? We're going to talk about some things that you need to know. This is Bob Vineyard, your Medicare expert with the Georgia Medicare Minute. Okay, well, as I said, about 50 million claims were pended for additional information. The good news is only 3 million of them were actually denied, but in the meantime, you're waiting, you're not getting your test, you're not getting your procedure until they make up their mind to decide to pay it. Now, 50 million claims, that's an awful lot of claims. Compare and contrast that to folks who have original Medicare. Fewer than 400,000 claims submitted to Medicare were postponed or pended for additional information. In other words, most of the claims that were submitted through original Medicare were paid. No hassle, no delay. That sounds pretty good. Now, that's something that you really probably need to look at, because if you're in pain and you need to get a diagnosis, or you have something that's really serious and you need treatment for it, while the insurance company's twiddling their thumbs and deciding if they're going to pay for it, you may be getting sicker, and you're certainly not going to feel a lot better if you're in pain. So that's something to think about. This is Bob Vineyard, your Medicare expert with the Georgia Medicare Minute. You take care. Have a great day.